Welcome to Low Light Handgun at Scottsdale Gun Club. Danger doesn't always appear in the daylight. Learning to shoot in the dark will greatly improve your chances of successfully fending off threats and minimizing the potential for accidental harm. In this class, you will learn the 4 basic positions of tactical flashlight engagement, along with an emphasis on primary and support hand shooting. Students are required to be holster qualified with a Scottsdale Gun Club instructor prior to attending the course. You will also be required to provide your own handheld tactical flashlight, a Kydex strong side holster, a high-quality rigid belt, and approximately 150 rounds of ammunition. If you'd like to enhance your low-light experience, we recommend purchasing tracer rounds at our front counter. Members receive 10% off. If you'd like to learn how to shoot in low light, visit our website or speak with an associate in-store today.